Ubala Kaman Rymbui Menteri Badai Kami ya katanat puli ke sorkar jalau lakan tui ki nonghikai SSA ki badan hapadeng keci ki bakin lei phai selaka kam bat lada kim le kumta kin mat jinge bat kin omyo jingsiew. Uloong bak sorkar jala kadang ap ya kamang tengka jongka ke baha kebaning kong nak sorkar India kenang ban la ban pelai bisa sagi nonghikai. Da ka bakado bak sorkar jala ka le kat bala ban penbiang ki jinon kam ki baidai bak sorkar India ban yo pelai no ya ka baha banikong. Ulapun pauru bak sorkar kan wengi ka jinga ajiram ne ki managing committee jang school ki bak hang school wat hadin ka jingkerpat nak sorkar jala.
I request the teachers that they should resume class, and if they do resume class, we have no other option. Either we have to issue order of no work no pay, or we will withdraw the grant to the managing committee for those schools which are closed in spite of repeated requests by the government of Meghalaya. If they don't resume class, we have to take a drastic action against the managing committee concerned. We have no other option in spite of trying so much, and we will continue to try. We will not shy away from responsibility to solve the issue at hand, but there is a limitation to anything. So the limitation is that we have to work together. I appeal to them also that we cannot do anything until and unless the government of India release the share to the state government, which we will enable to release to respective managing committee to release the teachers. So I appeal to them that we to work together. I know the hardship which they face every now and then, that due to the late receipt of fund, that they face so much hardship. We understand that, but there are something which is not in our hand. So we have to understand that we should work together, and they should resume their classes. The amount we cannot say how much. The amount depends upon the central government, how much they will release. We want them to release as much as possible, but the central government, in its wisdom, how much they will release, so as and when they release, we will release to the respective managing committee for the payment of teachers. The communication with the Ministry of Education, Government of India, is every now and then that the government of Meghalaya, we need the government of India to release the first installment. But as of now, we have not got the information exactly when they will release. We got the reply that releasing of fund is under process. And as I want to reiterate that, we from the government of Meghalaya, whatever formalities which is needed to be done, we have complied, and we are only awaiting the formal sanction.